Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the question related to the 4 variable K-map. In the previous video we also discussed a 4 variable K-map for the SOP, but now in this video we discuss about the question related to the POS. So let's see that how we can identify that is the question related to the SOP or POS. For the SOP there is a one sign that is called summation, but on the form of POS there is one sign that is called pi. So here is a pi, so it is the question of POS. So let's make a designing of 4 variable K-map. So if you don't know how can design a 4 variable K-map, so you can watch my previous video. So now it is we can make a total 16 boxes, because there is 4 variable, that means 0 to 15, that means total 16 boxes. 0 to 15, that means 16 boxes. So now we can write the value. So I am showing the designing, one rough designing. This is the designing of 4 variable K-map for the POS. This is the expression. We can write this value for that question. So we can write here is a x, y, z, w. So we cannot use a, b, c, d, we can use x, y. So in that row we can use x, y, x plus y dash, x dash plus y dash, x dash plus y. For the column we can use z or w, So here z plus w dash, z dash plus w dash, z dash plus w. So this is the designing. Next one, we put a value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So first one is 5. In the place of 5, that means true. In the place of 5 we can put a 0. Why we not put a 1? Because it is in the form of POS. So in the POS we can put a 0. Then 7, in the place of 7 we put a 0. Then 12, where is the 12? This is the 12. Then 13, then 14, 15, 8 or 10. So this is the value in the POS. So let's make a pair or quad. So we can clearly see that there is a one quad, here also this 2 value and this 2 value making a quad. So let's write the term or expression. So first making this quad, that means M5, M7, that is M13 and M15. Next quad is that this one, that means M12, M8, M14, M10. So for the row, column and term, here also row, column and term. For the row, in this quad there is 2 row. This is the row. In this row there is 2 value, x dash, y dash, y dash. So in that one, which value is common? That is y dash. Both is available in that row, so we can write y dash. For the column, there is a z dash, w dash, w dash. So here also w dash is common, so we can write w dash. So the term is y dash plus w dash. Why we cannot put here multiply? Why we put add? Because it is a form of POS. That means firstly make a sum, after that product. So here we can firstly make a sum. For the next quad, that means this one. Firstly see the row. So the row is, in that row, x dash, the x dash value is common, and the y dash or y is not common, so we can write x dash. For the column, for this one, z dash, w. In those column, w is common, so we can write here w. So the term is x dash plus w. So the expression is that expression is y dash plus w dash or x dash plus w. We can put here a multiply sign because it is in the form of POS. In the form of POS, firstly do a sum. So firstly do a sum, then product. So we can do a product. So this is the expression, simplified expression of 4 variable K-map related question for the POS. So now let's see the next question related to the POS. Here is one question related to the POS. We can easily see that this is the question of POS because it's firstly do a sum, after that do a product. So it is the POS. That means firstly do a sum, then do a product. So let's designing here also, designing a K-map variable. Let's put a value. Here is a plus b dash, a dash plus b dash, a dash plus b. Next c plus d dash, c dash plus d dash, c dash plus d. So here first term is ab dash, that means second row cd that means first column. So here we write 0 because it is a POS form. Next one is a dash b dash. Here is a a dash b dash, that means third row, and cd that means again first row, first column. Then next one is ab that means first row, and cd dash that means second column, first row second column, we can put a 0. Next is ab dash that means second row, and cd dash that means second column. Next is a dash b dash. Here is a dash b dash, and cd dash this one. Next a dash plus b plus c plus d dash. So here we write again 0, c plus d dash. Next one is ab dash that means ab dash second row, and c dash d dash matlab third column. Then ab dash c dash d that means fourth column. Next one is a dash b dash. Here is a dash b dash, and c dash d. So this is the value of K map. So let's make a pair or quad. So here is make a quad, that means this is the 4 value, it is a first quad. Then second one is this also make a 4 value, that means it also make a quad. That 2 value is left, this 2 value make a pair, but we can also make a quad. So we can make a quad. How we can make this one we can make a quad. So here is a 3 quad, So let's solve this. First quad that means this. So firstly we can write a value, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This value is no need for writing that number. So make a first quad. That one is first quad, that means 1 5 13 or 9. So M1 M5 M13 or M9 for the row and column and term. So in that column the value is c plus d dash, but in the all row nothing will be the common, so the row is 0. So the term is c plus d dash plus 0, that means c plus d dash. Next Next one is we can take this one, that is M4, M5, M7, M6. You can also write M4, M5, M6 or M7. So row and column or term. For the row there are all 0 are available in the same row, that is A plus B dash. But in the column there is nothing will be the same. For the column nothing will be the same. The column is 0. So the term is A plus B dash plus 0. That means A plus B dash only. A plus B dash. Next chord is, this is the next chord, 4, 12, 6 or 15. M4, M12, M6, M14. So in that one, row, column, term. In both value there is a 2 row, and the common value between 2 row, that is B dash. Here B dash, B dash. So the common value is B dash for the row. And for the column, this one is the column. So in that column there is a value C dash or D. So C dash is not a common value, but D is a common between two values. So we can write in the place of column D. So the term is B dash plus D. So next, the expression is C plus D dash first, second is A plus B dash, third one is B dash plus D. In that expression we put a multiply sign because it is in the form of POS. In the POS, firstly do a sum, then do a product. So firstly do a sum, then do a product. So this is the question related to the POS for 4 variable K-map. These are the two questions. This is the first question and this is the second question. This is the last part of K-map related question. You can watch my previous video for the 2 variable, 3 variable and the 4 variable for the SOP, and subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you.